Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing Indie the Hermit Crab. So we're going to start off with a dot on either side, and this is going to be the middle of our body. So make sure it's wide enough across the page, but not too wide. We don't want to go on the outside of the page. And we're going to draw a bowl shape. Let's see. Our bowl shape. If it's a little crooked, it's fine. Indie will just have a little more personality. Alright, the bowl shape is complete. Now let's draw the top of it. Of the bowl. And this is the top of the head. Like so. And we're going to do the top of the head before we draw any of the other details on Indie. We're going to do these two side lines on either side. And then we're going to cover the top with a line. And once you're done with that, we're going to do two more. A little closer in the inside. And same thing. A line to connect it. And then finally the top of the hermit crab shell. Like so. Once you're done with that step, we can move over to the face before we do any other details. For the face, we're going to keep it simple with two big eyes. Make sure they're round or oval. And then draw another one on the other side. Just gonna round mine out just a little bit more. Let's add a little highlight. Just to add some cuteness, and then maybe a smaller one, like so. And once you're done with those, we're just gonna color in the non-highlight areas. If you color in the highlight areas, it might look a little scary, but up to you. Once their eyes are done, let's draw a little smile. Almost look a little ice cream. But since it is a hermit crab, we need to draw in the claws. For the claws, we're just gonna go two low lines on the outside, like so. We draw the left one first, and it's just gonna be a simple U shape to this point, and then we're gonna curve and do a smaller U, and then do the thumb. That's one claw, and then we're going to repeat on the other side. Do the two lines. Once you're done, we're going to draw the big U all the way up. And then let's do a little thumb. Up, and then draw a smaller U to finish it. And Indie does have some little legs, so we're just going to add those. They're little nub legs on the side. They look almost like whiskers, almost like the axolotl. Which animal do you prefer, hermit crab or axolotl? I actually like the axolotl, but this one's actually turning out pretty cute, so it might be my second favorite. Now let's draw the belly detail. Just to be a little detail on the bottom, like so, and then two blush marks either side. And I think we're complete. Let's add a little bit of color. And there you have it, Indie the Hermit Crab from Squishmallows. If you have suggestions for any other animals, please leave it in the comments down below. And if you can, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.